Hello team. So this is your real estate investment platform. So this is your front end. Here you can check like passive income and all. You can change the content if you require. Here you can check the property. We have uh, we have list our property with two way. First is fixed invest. Second is invest in range. Fixed invest, so per user can invest minimum this amount or maximum this amount. In investment you can set up a range, so in between in this range anybody can complete the investment. So if I open any property, then I can find out image or property details here. But here user needs to log in or sign up first. Here you can check descriptions, locations, reviews and other details. Here you can check about our fixed amount from us. Let me log in once and then I will show you the user side as well. So just allow me a seconds. I just log in with my email ID password. So this is the email. Okay, now let me go from front end again. So here let me open property. So I already showed you that this one, so let me open now this is. So here you can check the image, property details. So here you can select wallet balance and all. Here you can select in which amount we need to invest, and then we can complete in our investment. So we have currently insufficient balance, that's why it's not completed yet. But when we will recharge our money, and then we can do it. Then we have a latest property and other details which you can check. Okay, here you can check about us, property blogs, FAQ, contact, these things we have. Here you can check your balance. You can add money. You can add money by InstaMojo, PayPal, and we have others like Paystack, we have Paytm, we have SecurePay, we have Razorpay, we have so Stripe, we have so which gateway you require. You can set up an admin panel, so anyone can complete the transaction with this. Then we have an investment property, so I can invest here. Here we can check data, my property, my share property and all. Here you can check share market, my property and all. And we have a send offer. If you send receive offer, invest AC, we can check it here. Then we have let's check it. Then we have a watch list, so we can set up our watch list details. Then we have a fund history. If you require to add fund, then you can complete fund. Then we have money transfer, so like receive an email amount, select the wallet balance or interest balance, then we can transfer it. Then we can check all types of transaction data here. Okay, then we have like payout, so we can request for payout as well. We can use Razorpay or any gateway for payout. Then by my refer bonus, badges and support ticket we have. Now let me show you super admin. So this is the super admin. Here you can check total user, active, brand user, property statics we can check, investment statics we can check. Then we have a role permission, so here you can make multiple roles and you can give permission to them. You can just need to add user details, user name, and then you can assign them permission, what permission you need to assign them. Then we have a KYC identity form which you can use and which you can manage according to you. Okay, then we have like profile schedule, so you can manage, you can create as well. Then we have amenities list which you can manage it here. Okay, then we have like address list, Chennai, Noida, in which city we are working, so here you can add multiple cities. Then we have like property list, so all types of property data will come here which you can manage, which you can easily use that. You can create new link. Let me show you, just clicking on a create new. Here we can add details, thumbnail, future property, can investors see available funds or not, investment details, range of fix, we can set up these things, total investment amount, maximum amount, what is the profit rate, return type, lifetime or period, then after how many days, can say investment, capital back and all, you can manage that. upcoming property, running property, expired property we can check. Then we have a wish list, so here we can check wish list data. Currently I think our team is working on any there, that's why it's running. Okay, so no issue. Let me show you other features as well. So you can share investment, so you can manage that. And then we have analyze, so here you can analyze, you can view, just click here, so you can manage that. So this is the property analyze, which you can check it here. Then we have all types of investment data, which we can check it here. Then we have running investment, due investment, expired investment. Then we have badge bonus, which you can check it here. Badge list, we can check it here, or we can add it, we can create multiple badge. So if we minimum investment to minimum deposits here, which we have completed, then we will get this bonus or this badge icon. Then we have all users data, which you can check it here, you can add it, you can send mail, or you can log in as user as well. Okay, here you can filterize as well. Then we have pending KYC and other details. Then we have a referral, so like deposit bonus, referral, investment commission. Also you can set up referral label. So I already add one label at 5%. So if anyone refer, then if that user is deposit, then they will get 5%. Investment commission, they will get 5%. Profit commission, so they will get 5% like that. Then we have payment method, so here you can check payment method, you can edit it. Okay, then we have manual gateway, which you can manage that. Deposit request we can check, payment logs we can check there. Then we have payout settings, so when payout is working or not, you can set up these things. Payout methods are here, you can set up your payout method. You can create new as well, which we need to use. Name, duration, minimum, maximum percentage of charge, like then you can check your payout logs. After payout log, here you can check your transactions, so all types of transactions are here. You can filterize your transaction. Then we have commission, so here you can manage commission, you can create multiple commissions, you can search commission complete data. Then we have tickets, so all ticket data will come here. You can filterize, you can check open ticket, close ticket and all. Then we have some subscribers list, so subscriber list data will come here. And this is the basic detail like base currency, currency symbol, minimum transfer, maximum transfer, transfer charge, joining bonus if was there, so you can set up these things. Then we have plugin setup, so here we already using so some plugins, so here you can set up these plugins according to your requirement. Google reCAPTCHA, Google Analyze, all are working here. You just need to add your key, it will be work for you. Then we have an email, so we are using here SMTP. You just need to add your SMTP key, then it will work for you. Then we have SMS. SMS we are using here Nexmo, so you can set up your Nexmo key here, then it will work for you. Then we have like push notifications, we have currency exchange, we have which you can manage according to you. Then we have other things like manage language we have, so here you can set up your multiple languages here. Then we have logo, breadcrumb and other things was there, then which you can manage. Then we have section heading, so hero, about us, property pages you can set up according to you. Then we have content settings, blog settings which you can manage or which you can easily manage your solutions. So if you have any doubts query, then you can contact with us for any query.